Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. I'm happy to have you back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this refreshing mango peel juice. So let's get right into this video. The ingredients are water, 1 orange, a pinch of vinegar. The vinegar is optional, it's just to use for a preservative. 1 medium-sized carrot, 2 mango peels, and of course lemon juice. You can also add ginger to this recipe. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is to cut up your mango peels into small pieces. I did already had my mango before I started this video, so you guys won't see me peeling the mango. Also, if you want, you can add the mango seeds to this as well. Just ensure that if you're going to blend the mango peels, you take out the mango seeds before blending. So the next step is to pour 2 cups of water into an empty pot, place on the stove, and then place the mango peel inside of it. Leave to cook for about 5 to 8 minutes on medium temperature. So guys, while the mango peels are cooking, I went ahead and blend my chopped carrots into 1 cup of water. After that, I went ahead and strained the carrot into a bowl, place aside until the mango peel is ready. So guys, this is the finished product after finished straining. So guys, as y'all can see, the mango peels are ready and I'm blending them. You can always crush these instead of blending, but I didn't have the time, so I went ahead and blend. You should also wait until the mango peel cool down before blending it. As I said before in my previous, I didn't have the time to wait until it cooled down, so I just went ahead and blend them anyway. So this is what the mango peels look like after blending and straining. After that, I went ahead and combined all the ingredients. Then I added my sugar and mix. You can add the sugar according to like. This is so refreshing, you guys. You can always add this with ice cubes, or you can place it into the refrigerator until you're ready to drink. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tell your friends and loved ones about Willa's Kitchen YouTube channel. I shall see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.